Hi everyone, Deb here with Dahlia Designs. Welcome to the Passion for Purple collaboration. This is an open collaboration hosted by Kim at Metal Scrappin Chick here on YouTube. And she does a variety of things, jewelry, paper crafting, all kinds of stuff. So kind of like me, but I just split my channels into two. So this is just my jewelry channel, and then I have a paper crafting, junk journaling, mixed media type channel called Deb Houck's Crafty Cottage. This Dahlia Designs is only for jewelry and all things beady and jewelry making, okay? So what I have here, I actually made on March 21st using Potomac Beads February Treasure Box. Keep wanting to call it a kit, treasure box. And it had all these beautiful purples in. So I added to it this chain, the clasp, and these impression jasper. But what came in it is crazy lace. They didn't say agate or jasper. They look like a jasper to me. These amethyst check glass rounds. They're not real amethyst. And these lavender pearls. I believe these seed beads, 8 came from an earlier kit. And there's one faceted 3mm round here on the extender dangle, and that was in the February kit. So I just made a 16-inch strung necklace, very simple, with a 2-inch-ish bead dangle extender. And then these are the earrings I made with the impression jasper puffy coins. The beads from the kit were this faceted round, the crazy lace, the lavender pearls, and the faceted rounds again. And the ear wires were in the February kit. So I just added eye pins, and the head pins might have been from an earlier, mm, yeah, they were from the May 2023 kit, and I think I finished them, maybe, or very close to it. And then the last thing I did was a stretch bracelet, just using the beads in the kit, the 6mm rounds in the pearl, the lavender, the check glass. This bail was also in the kit, so the only thing I added to this was this dragonfly charm. I had to put something on the bail. The stretch cord was from an earlier Potomac Beads kit, and I'd say this fits a 7 to 7 1/4, maybe 7 1/2, because I have a 6 3/4 inch wrist and it's a little bit loose on me. I would prefer it to be a little snugger, but it also goes over my hand really easily. So a little bit big on me. So I think it would fit 7 to 7 1/4 inch, depending on the size of your hand, obviously. So those are my makes for February. The February Potomac Treasure Box. I will be coming back soon with more items using that box. I already have had them laid out since around March 21st, and I just haven't gotten to finishing them, and that's even late. And I still have to do the March box for them, so I'll be coming back with that soon too. Some makes, I don't think I'll be finishing the boxes per se. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Please do go check out Metal Scrappin Chick. Click on the hashtag to see if there's anyone else participating this month. It might not be jewelry. It might be paper crafting, card making. Could be jewelry, could be dangles. Who knows? I don't know. It's anything purple, basically. And I believe last month I did paper craft with it. I'm trying to do every other month for Passion for Purple on one or the other channel instead of both channels each month. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again very soon, and I do appreciate you hanging in there with me. Hugs, love, and peace.